Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Mewing Pin in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Brawl Stars game on your device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Mewing Pin is newly added in Brawl Stars and can be found in the shop section. So go to the shop icon on the left and tap on it because the Mewing Pin will be available in the store when the makers of Brawl Stars add it. When it comes to Brawl Stars, you can find it in the catalog. So scroll to the right side of your screen until you find Catalog. Once found, tap on it and you will be on the catalog page. Here, as of now, the Mewing Pin feature is not added to the game, but if it is added in the future, you will find it here. So that's basically how you can get Mewing Pin in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.